Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy F22 and today we are going to make face unlock test. Let's see how this protection works in the smartphone. Let's make a few tries. So definitely it's not that fast like the fingerprint sensor that you can find on the right edge, but it's not that bad. It will work fast, it's not bad for me. It recognizes my face all time. And take a look on the fingerprint sensor, how it works. It's faster a little bit than the fingerprint, than the face unlock, but both biometric settings are good in the smartphone. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.